Hello, this is Steve Bales, your instructor for Drafting Fundamentals again. And we wanted to look at, in this video, I wanted to introduce you to drafting in general and tell you a little bit about my career so you have something to compare against, and talk about the use of computer-aided drafting and traditional drafting, of which you're getting ready to learn about in Drafting Fundamentals, and the movement from 2D to 3D to modeling. So, in the beginning of my career, from college, studying industrial education, and then later working at Green River Electric Corporation in the mapping department after graduation, and then being able to secure a drafting and design position with Martin Marietta Corporation, and it was a multidisciplinary engineering department, mechanical, electrical, civil, several different types of engineering. From there, after Martin Marietta had to lay me off, several of us, I moved into the teaching field, which is what I started out in college to do. So in the vocational system, I began in 1982 and worked with training students in drafting using traditional methods, as that is what was used at the time. It wasn't too long after that, 83, 84, that CAD started to come on, and it was a kind of a slow progress, you might say, taking up with local employers. After a number of years, though, it began picking up steam, as you might say, and there were more employers using it, and we began incorporating it more into a training program. So my experience runs the gamut, all the way from the board drafting days and working with ink pens and large format manual drawings, all the way up to today, where we're preparing students such as you, ultimately to do building information modeling or to do mechanical modeling. So the progress is from the traditional drafting, the board drafting, into two-dimensional CAD, and then three-dimensional CAD along with that, and then modeling. And so you're wondering probably, well, why in the world do I need to learn any kind of manual traditional drafting? Because there aren't any jobs out there that hire people just to do that kind of drafting work. So the reason that we still have it in the program is to teach you graphic language, how to technically represent something without the interface of a computer to worry with. You're able to collect information and design basic objects, projects in a simple way, quickly, without having to worry about any kind of software or interface. There's also quite a bit to learn dealing with three-dimensional objects converted into two-dimensional objects, which we call orthographics. And the two-dimensional drawing still has to be created. It is automated more, but that's still there, and learning how to do that is much easier if you learn the fundamentals on paper and then learn how to do it with 3D and with modeling. So the progression has been, all over these past 30 years now that CAD has been available. It's gone from a very Lego block looking type of screen and very clunky to a very sophisticated and high-powered software program. So, I'm looking forward to working with you and helping you achieve your goals. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to email me and call me on my office phone, leave a message. You have all my contact information. The next video that you watch will be on the first chapter in the textbook, where we look a little deeper into drafting and what it is, and all the way up into practicing and working with some scales in the basic fashion. So, see you in just a little bit. Stay tuned.